playing Flood Escape, and okay, so looks like the medium is ready, and I don't know why my game is lagging. Never lags. Anyways, Flood Escape actually lags. That's the only thing. Oh wait, I'm the only one? Okay. I'm probably not gonna be able to do this. What? Oh. How do I get out of here? What is happening? Okay, wait. I can't get out. Oh my god. Oh no, I did. What? Bye. Hello, darkness. Okay. No, the easy. Oh, come on. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for someone else to come in. Someone. Okay, we'll just do it on our own. Okay. Go! Oh, okay. What? Are you... This is sad. I'm just gonna wait a minute. Let's spectate this guy. And he died. And she died. You can win! You can do this! Come on! Do it! Yes! Oh no! Oh god! The water's coming up. Oh yes! Okay, so you're so lucky. What? Why is the water already... You have to go. No, where are you going? That's the only way you can go. No. Oh wait, she can't even get... Oh, she can, okay. What? Is she stuck? She's stuck. She's stuck. Okay. Okay, so let's go. Intermission. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. What? Go! Right. Yes, get that. Are you kidding me? Yes, we can do this. Okay, we got this, my dude. No! Lag. What is this? Okay, so we're gonna play this with Creed Dog Baller. I think he means dog baller, not dog baller. Yeah, whatever. There's no way we can survive. Epic fail, my dudes. Epic fail. No. We're gonna wait to play with someone else. Someone play with me. Training. Ooh. Let's go to training since I'm not good enough. Oh, cracker. What? Did she just walk to it? What is it? Oh. What? What? Okay. 5 training points, so cute. Well, that's training? Yeah. Red. Red. Oh, I'm on red. Okay. Yo! Ah! Oh, I'm good. Wait, what about the green? Oh, I'm on red. Okay. This is easy. Yeah. Let's try Jody. Oh my god. Lag right here. But are you kidding me? I'm so bad at it. I didn't even get the first box. I got it, man. Yes. I got it. But now where are we going? Okay, more Jody. Got it. Nice, great. Okay, nice. Okay. Today was a sad day for losing, like everyone. But the easy is open. Last round and we'll end the vid. What? Okay. Okay. Got it. on. Yeah, we're just gonna wait here. Hey! Oh god, everyone's doing the work for me. Come on. Come on, are you done? Come on, you got this! Yes! You did. Let's go. What? What? She has gravity coil, no clue. What? Oh! That's the wrong one. I was about to say that. No! Anyway, thanks for watching. If you're new here but you've never subscribed yet. Wait, no. If you're new here, if you've been watching my channel but you've never subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe, smash that like button, and turn on notifications to never miss a video. Anyway, once again, thanks for watching. Bye!